It's a baking day here at Fofolicious Food Bites, and I am finally showing my moist dark chocolate cake recipe. Anytime I bake this deliciousness, everyone just loves it. I can't blame them. It's a total indulgence. I have shared my chocolate recipe with so many people. Now I am here to share it with you all. Let's bake. I have my flour, cocoa powder, sugar, evaporated full cream milk, 4 big eggs. Because using small eggs for baking can be so unpleasant and frustrating. Okay, so back to my ingredients. I have vegetable oil, coffee, vanilla flavor, bicarbonate soda, and baking powder, and that's all the ingredients. Now it's time to start the baking. I'm sifting my flour into my bowl. Adding the cocoa powder, sugar, and I mix together. Next, I will add the bicarbonate and the baking powder. I'll mix everything together. Once you mix in the bicarbonate and baking powder, switch to a spatula or a wooden spoon like mine. For me, it gives me a firmer grip, but if I'm making just a little batter, I use a whisk. Back to my chocolate cake. Crack the eggs, set it aside. At this point, please make sure you have your hot water ready. Pour the eggs into the dry ingredients. Give it a good mix. Add the vegetable oil. Keep mixing. Mix coffee and vanilla into the milk. Add a bit of hot water into the milk and set it aside also. Now it's time to mix all the dry and wet ingredients together. It's coming together, you'll see. Then add the hot milk, coffee, and vanilla. Add everything together now. Mix it very well. At this point, you can smell the coffee from the cake mix. But that's not all. You can even smell the chocolatey cocoa powder aroma. So very yummy. If the mix is too thick, you can adjust by adding more hot water, just a bit at a time. Once I get my runny consistency, I'm okay and it's ready to bake. I'm baking cupcakes and also cake cutouts. So line your cake pans of your choice, or you grease with butter and sprinkle with flour or cocoa powder to avoid the cake from sticking to your pan. Pour in the chocolate cake mix and bake. To avoid drying out your cake, please don't overbake. And here we have it. The cake is ready. The whole place is smelling so wonderful. The aroma is so wonderful here. Chocolatey all around. I'm making simple dessert decorations and plating, adding strawberry and caramel sauce swirls at the base of my cake. Few gold leaves, biscuit, and some chocolate icing on top, just to make it really fancy and very easy, packed with deliciousness. Please recreate and keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites. Here you will have so much recipe that we can share together. Please subscribe and tell somebody else about all these goodies. Thank you and enjoy.